Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a facelift Passat CC, 2 litre TDI. So this is a 2013 model. It's got 2 previous owners. The last owner owned it for just over 7 years. So it's got good service history with it. It's got both sets of keys, HPI clear. It's got Conti Sport tyres all round. We've done quite a bit of prep to this car, so a lot of the details will be on the advert, but we've done service, new brakes, new shockers, new battery, cambelt, water pump, auxiliary belt, aircon compressor as well. So it's had quite a bit of prep to make it how it should be. It's got 5 alloys as well, it's got a full-size spare. Nice spec on these, so they come with Bluetooth, sat-nav, music stream, and puddle lights, full electric windows, multifunction steering wheel, auto lights, electric driver's seat, great miles per gallon out of these as well. Videos just really to show you the condition if you're not particularly local. We do have a lot of photos on the advert as well. If there's any areas that you'd like a photo of or any more info, or you just want to book a test drive, I'll come down and have a look. Then, as with always, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.